Drake responds to Kanye West leaking his home address. All right, so this beef started, there was a line on a new Trippie Redd song where Drake said something about Kanye. And then Kanye replied in a group text where he included Pusha T. Oh, there you go. You got it all in here.
Yeah.
And he said, I live for this.
Some profanity.
You will never recover, I promise you. And a picture of the Joker from the recent Joker film.
Yes.
And then there was some talk about a green watch because apparently Virgil gave Drake a green watch and Kanye, I guess, wants a better one or whatever. But anyway, so I guess this escalated to Kanye West then leaking or doxing Drake by sharing his address. Now, how did he do this? Was this on social media? Like, where did he post that, the address?
I believe it was on social media. Somewhere, either Instagram. It's just a picture of the address.
Ye took to Instagram to share a screenshot of what appears to be a group text message. Okay, we saw that. In the early hours of the morning, Drake seemingly responded. Okay, play the Drake clip. This is him responding, laughing, driving and laughing. Okay, that's it. That's all there is. That's all there is to it.
Yeah.
All right. He's just laughing for 6 seconds while driving in some kind of convertible. He's laughing probably because, I don't know, did he put a caption to that, by the way?
Nope.
Or no? I mean, he's laughing because everyone knows where Drake lives. We can speak on that because we're from around the corner. And in Toronto, it's well known where Drake lives.
Yeah.
You can just roll up over there. In fact, the story I was going to tell is I rented a house on an Airbnb for a bachelor party, which the backyard was literally Drake's house.
Oh, nice.
On the bridle path. And
you hopped the fence?
And we were like, doesn't matter how loud it is over here or anything like that. And they're like, oh no, Drake's house is always loud over there. Or something.
Yeah, he's cool with it.
Something along these lines. There's a lot of big houses, mansions, things like this over there. But it's a distinctive house. I mean, they documented the whole building of it. He's had
music videos in there,
hosted events, post game parties when the Raptors stuff was going on. So, what was that post? If anyone tries to kill me, it was
Drake. That's Drake.
This is what is this? We got more drama and many stories going on here.
Some of the posts. It's weird. I mean, this guy died already.
Yeah. Well, obviously, Kanye is trying to hurt him in some way. And I don't know if I'd want to be beefing with Kanye because he's a little unpredictable at the moment, I would say. A little unorthodox at the moment. I don't think that's a stretch. But either way, Drake thinks it's funny. He's laughing about it for the time being. So he just posted that 21 Park Lane Circle. That's it?
Yeah. Huh. And then he deleted it quickly afterwards. Well, if you ever want to visit Drake.
Well, I wouldn't recommend that. I know there's actually a woman got arrested out front there not long ago.
Yeah.
So that's definitely not something I'm going to recommend.
Yeah.
But it's well known where he's at.